Nandip classes part to the standard 10th science part second concept in chapter first heredity and evolution.
Hello friends, I am Tejas. I am talking about heredity and hereditary changes. So the science of heredity is useful for the treatment of a diagnosis and the prevention of hereditary disorders, and is also making and is it is also making for the hybrid plants and animals. And what is the heredity? The heredity is a transfer of characteristics from parents to offspring. It's called the heredity. Thank you.
Transcription definition: the sequence of the nucleon of mRNA is the beginning in always of product of the to the DNA is there beside there is the DNA is product is themes is called as the transcription.
Translation definition: for this purpose, tRNA has altitude having complementary sequences to the codon on mRNA. This is called a translation. Translocation: the ribosome keeps on moving one end by the mRNA to the other end by the distance of the one triplet codon. This is called as a translocation.
Central dogma definition: the proteins of the synthesis by DNA through the RNA. This is called central dogma.
Information of DNA. DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid. It was the first isolated by the scientist Frederick Mischer. Frederick Mischer of nucleus the first cell in 1869. DNA is a carrier of genetic information from generation to generation. It transmits the hereditary encoded language from parents to the offspring.
Ribonucleic acid RNA. RNA is a ribonucleic acid RNA is a various essential molecule of the various encoding, decoding, regulation, expression of genus. DNA and RNA is a nucleic acid along with lipids, protons, carbohydrates and nucleic acid are four major macromolecules of the various
mRNA. The mRNA from nucleus comes in cytoplasm. It brings in the code message in from DNA is called a mRNA.
Evolution of definition: formation of new species change due to change in the specific revolution of gravitation of living organism as a response to the natural selection. This is called as evolution.
Evidences of evolution. उत्क्रांतीचे पुरावे. What is the definition of evidences of evolution? Evolution is the everlasting process of the changes. The proofs of the support of this process is called the evidences of evolution. 6 types of the evidences of evolution. First is morphological evidences. Second is anatomical evidences. Third is vestigial organs. Fourth is paleontological evidences. Fifth is connecting cells, and sixth is embryological evidences. Thank you.
Define of morphological evidence. Similarities in the external and visible features are called the morphological evidence. Example: lip shape, lip venation, animals, etc.
Vestigial organs. Definition: the degenerated or undegenerated the unless organs of organization are called the vestigial organs. Thanks.
Definition of paleontological evidence. The large number of organism get budding due to the deserted flood, earthquake, volcano, etc. remained and in presence of such organism remain preserved underground. These are called fossils.
Definition of connecting links. Some plant and animal show some morphological characters which can be related to different groups. It is called connecting links. Theory of evolution. The living organization had been all round and multidimensional, and this lead of evolution. Different types of organism. This is called the evolution.
Darwin's theory of natural selection. Charles Darwin has studied the theory of natural selection. He uh, specimens, and depending upon the observations of the various specimens, he published the theory of natural selection and purchased the survival of fittest. Darwin has published book title is Original of the Species. This is Darwin's theory of natural selection.
Lamarckism, the theory of the John Baptist Lamarck, 1744 to 1829. Each animals or plant undergo some changes in its lifespan, and these changes transfer to the next generation to generation. For example, ducks, swine, giraffe, and snake. The modification of parked animals. But their theory was rejected. But the changes are not transferred to generation to generation. This is called Lamarckism. Thanks.
Speciation, formation of new species of plants and animal, effect of the evolution. Space is the group organism that can produce fertile individuals through the natural reproduction.
Information of human evolution. The biodiversity that is known today has been said to be formed from very simple unicellular organism due to evolution is called human evolution. First, ancient animal like lemurs 7 crores years ago. Second, Egyptopithecus 4 crores years ago. Third, Dryopithecus 2 crore 50 lakh years ago. Fourth, Ramapithecus 1 crore years ago. Fifth, Australopithecus 40 lakh years ago. Sixth, skilled human 20 lakh years ago. Seven, man with erect posture. Man with erect posture 15 lakh years ago. Neanderthal 1,50,000 years ago, and Cro-Magnon man 50,000 years ago. This is human evolution.
This video like, share and subscribe. Nandi Classes Patada. Thank you.